In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect HubSpot CRM to your Wix site and set up form field syncing. This is a useful integration if you want leads from your website to flow directly into your CRM automatically, helping you stay organized and respond to contacts more efficiently. To begin, open your Wix dashboard in Google Chrome. It's a good idea to have the correct site dashboard already loaded before you start, especially if you manage more than one website. Using Chrome can help ensure the setup window and login prompts load smoothly, since many web-based integrations are optimized for modern browsers. Once you're inside your Wix dashboard, go to the Wix app market area. This is where you can browse and install tools that extend your site's functionality. In the search bar, type HubSpot CRM and look for the matching app listing. Take a moment to confirm that you've selected the correct app before moving forward, since this will be the bridge between your Wix site and your HubSpot account. When you find it, click the Add to Site button. Wix will then ask you to approve the standard permission scopes for the connection. These permissions allow the app to communicate properly with your website data and forms. Review the request carefully, then accept it so the installation can continue. This is a normal part of connecting third-party business tools to your site. After that, a pop-up prompt will guide you to log into your HubSpot administrative account. Make sure you sign into the HubSpot account that matches the business or website you want connected. If you're already logged in, the process may move faster, but if not, just complete the login through the pop-up window and continue the authorization process as instructed. Once the accounts are connected, the next part is mapping your Wix form fields to the corresponding fields in HubSpot CRM. This step is important because it tells the system exactly where each piece of information should go. For example, a name field on your Wix form should match the appropriate contact field in HubSpot, and the same goes for email addresses, phone details, or message entries if those are part of your form setup. Be careful during this stage, because accurate field mapping is what makes automatic contact syncing work correctly. After the field mapping is complete, your Wix forms will begin sending contact data into HubSpot automatically, allowing you to track incoming submissions more effectively and keep your CRM updated without manual entry.